Today's lecture is benefits of beetroot. Here are 18 health benefits of beetroot and we discuss what is beetroot. Beetroot is packed with nutrients and offers numerous health benefits. Here are 18 health benefits of consuming beetroot. First is rich in nutrients. Beetroots are high in essential vitamins and minerals including folate, potassium, vitamin C and iron. And the second one is improves blood pressure. The nitrates in beetroot help to relax and dilate blood vessels which can lower blood pressure. इसका थर्ड बेनिफिट जो है enhances athletic performance. Beetroot juice is known to improve exercise stamina and endurance by increasing oxygen use efficiency. Fourth one is boosts brain function. Nitrates in beets improve blood flow to the brain potentially and enhancing cognitive function and reducing the risk of dementia. 5. Supports digestive health. Beetroot is rich in fiber which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroots contain betalains which have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body. 7 benefits are aids in detoxification. The betalain pigments in beets support detoxification by helping to remove toxins from the body. 8. Promotes heart health. Beetroot's ability to lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation contributes to overall heart health. 9th one is supports weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, beetroot can help you feel full longer, making it a good addition to a weight loss diet. इसका 10 जो बेनिफिट है वो है enhances skin health. The antioxidants and vitamin C in beetroot can improve skin health, giving it a natural glow and fighting signs of aging. Improves eye health. The beta carotene in beetroot helps maintain healthy vision and reduces the risk of age-related eye conditions. Boost your immune system. Beetroot contains vitamin C and other antioxidants that strengthen the immune system. Improves sexual health. Beetroot has been traditionally used as an aphrodisiac due to its ability to increase blood flow, which may enhance sexual performance. 15 benefits are regulates blood sugar levels. Despite being sweet, beetroot has a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Sports bone health. Beetroots are good source of minerals like calcium and magnesium which are essential for strong bones. Fights cancer. ये कैंसर से भी लड़ाई करता है. Some studies suggest that betalains in beetroots may have anti-cancer properties, particularly in reducing the growth of tumors. Enhancing mood and mental health. Beetroot contains betaine which help increase serotonin production, potentially improving mood and alleviating symptoms of depression. So incorporating beetroot into your diet can be a tasty and effective way to support overall health and well-being. So thanks for watching and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Shukriya.